Hey, this is Kerbel and I'm going to teach you how to do quick release. It looks like this. So to do this trick, it's easy if we start with 2 fingers inside this loop right here. So you can open it easily and get rid of this. What you have to do is just go a trapeze, open this loop with these 2 fingers and then pinch. You will actually want to pinch it with your pinky, ring finger, and middle finger. So you have your index finger to do the trapeze embroider. As you do the trapeze embroider, you will drop the non-throw hand string like this, and in the same motion, you'll go all the way around counterclockwise. Once you go all the way around, you will take your hat and land the yo-yo inside it. Once you do this, you'll drop your index finger and then the string segment that was attached to your throw hand, you will pull it down and then let it go. When the yo-yo is spinning, it should bind right into the yo-yo and then you can just pop it out and do the trick. Let me show you one more time what it looks like.